Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. For those who are not familiar with me, I am a local real estate professional in North and South Carolina. We are touring Bretagne. Bretagne is a community located in Indian Land, South Carolina. The builder here is MI Homes. The model we will be touring is called the Allison. The Allison is a two-story home. It has about that 4,600 square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. It has a 3-car garage, and starting price is right from that low $500,000. If you are interested in this home, I want you to go ahead and give my colleague a call. His name is Raleigh Masaniai. You can reach him at 808-205-1174. As always, more information can be found in the description bar about this home, about this video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy this tour. Okay, so we are entering this beautiful home, and right away what stands out to me in this home is how tall these ceilings are. I absolutely am a lover of a grand entryway, and that's exactly what you get with this home. Everything here in this home I think is just very grand, it's very unique, and it's elegant. We're going to transition over here to this study. So here it is portrayed as a study, but you can convert this if you wanted to a formal living space area. So what that would entail is the doors that you see here, it would just be gone, and you would have kind of like a full walled in space for more of a formal living space area. Let's go over here. We're gonna walk straight across here to this dining space area. I love the thought put into the design and decor of this home. I mean, look at this space. It kind of gives you an idea here of, you know, with the family, of how many can sit here. This easily sits 8, but you can kind of play around with the space as you desire. And we're gonna go right through here, through this Butler's Pantry area. You have your built-in wine cooler here, and you can see here you have the option of kind of like what you could do in this area. And then of course our pantry space. It's a very decent sized pantry in my opinion. And one thing, guys, as you notice, are the hardwood throughout the floor, throughout the home here. That's an option that you have. You can elect to have hardwood completely throughout the home here. And we move over here to the kitchen. First thing you notice here are the double ovens here, and of course your microwave over here. So if you're not a fan of this, you can elect to have rather maybe a microwave here and 1 oven. But to me, I don't see why you wouldn't go with this combo here. And of course, you have your option of your granite countertops and your backsplash, and you have your option, you know, when you meet with the MI Home sales agent, when you go through your design center, you can most definitely pick out your specifications according to what you love. And guys, one of the things I like here too is this sink. The ivory farmhouse sink is becoming something that's very popular with a lot of builders in this area. I love it. And then you have your gas cooker here. So here is a less formal dining space area here. I actually really love the circular table in this area because with everything already so rectangular, the circular table kind of gives it a different vibe here. And we actually will go outside, but let me show you around the first floor area first, and then we'll go outside before we go upstairs. And we're gonna move over here to this living space area here. One of my favorite things is this fireplace. This is actually wood here, so that's pretty cool, and I love that. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, when we were at the entry, the huge and the tall ceiling. And another thing is the tray accented ceiling as well. That is absolutely beautiful. I love grand living, don't you? Let's go over here. The owner's bedroom is right down here. And we enter this master. It's a similar concept here as we saw in the living space with the tray ceilings. You do have that option if you wanted the tray ceilings to elect that. And I like how tall these ceilings are here. And of course, you can get an idea of how spacious this room is. We're gonna quickly just go here to the bathroom area. And of course, you have your double vanity sinks. One of my favorite things actually is this shower. This shower actually goes all the way in, and it's their designer shower, and it has multiple shower heads in there as well. This bathroom to me is actually an ideal bathroom because I'm not too extravagant with bathrooms, and so this is very simplistic, and it just kind of, it's just very simple. So I'm a lover of it because it's not too much going on in the bathroom. And of course you have your private toilet here as well. And we're gonna go in here to the closet space. So this is the closet space that comes here. I love the double hang because you can hang so much and you can utilize this space, well, this closet, to its full potential. And one thing that I really like here is that the closet actually connects to the laundry room. How cool is that? You can easily just pick your clothes up and put them in the washer and go right back to your room. How convenient is that? That's pretty nice in my opinion. We're gonna head back out here. I just wanna show you guys this. So right through these doors here is where you would have your 3-car garage. We will not go through there because they've been converted into office spaces because this is a model home after all. But that's where you would have your 3-car garage. So you would come right in here, and then to our right here is a half bathroom. So you can kind of like wash off right before you go through the rest of the house. Okay, so why don't we go check out outside? Let's check out the backyard space. Okay, so we are outside here, and as you can see, you have this kind of option here of, I think you can actually get this screened in if you wanted to. And then I like, guys, that you have the option of the fire pit as well as the grill. I am not going to step out because it is currently raining, but you can kind of get the idea from here. Let's go on inside and we'll check out upstairs now together. So I'm sure, as you probably noticed, when we walked upstairs, we came up here to this loft space here. It's a very nice loft and it's very simple. I like the way it's set up. Very, very simple. Let's go over here to this family room. And this family room, I would actually keep it as is. I would make it probably a movie room as illustrated here. And you can see it's pretty big. It's big enough to hold, you know, whatever size TV that you may have. So this could potentially be great for a man cave or a she shed, or if you're just trying to look for a space to get away from your kids, this would probably be my choice of room in this house to get away from kids and just have your own privacy. Let's go check out some of the bedrooms up here, why don't we? So this room here, this is one of the first rooms upstairs that we're looking at here. And this is a complete suite in that it has a full bathroom in here as well. And so you kind of have an idea of how big this room is. This is a very nice sized room, in my opinion. It's not small, it doesn't feel cramped, and it's very airy in here. And I really do like this closet space here. It's more than enough space to put anything that you wanted in here. And we're gonna transition here. Let's check out this bathroom actually before we go out and look at the other rooms. So it's a very nice bathroom here, as you can see. And we enter this room here, which this is set up with the twin beds. This is a full suite as well in that it has its own bathroom, toilet, shower, everything as well. And it looks like this closet may actually be bigger than that other one we saw in the other room there. But come on, let's check out this bathroom here. This one is a walk-in shower, but I'm pretty sure you can have the option if you wanted a tub, a standard tub, you have that option as well, but you can kind of see what a simple walk-in shower would look like here. We have one more bedroom up here to check out, so let's do that now. This bedroom is very unique. I think this is the biggest one we've seen up here so far. I like these built-in cabinets and shelves here. It kind of reminds me of like the drop-off area we saw downstairs. And also, as I mentioned, this one too, it has a door connecting to the bathroom. But before we look at the bathroom, let's look at this closet space here. This closet is it's pretty decent. It looks about the same size as what we've seen in the other 3 rooms. And it has this door connected into the bathroom. This is a standard tub, double vanity sink, and toilet combo here. And why I said it has the door, it is ensuite, but not really, because there's a door from the hallway connecting into this as well. So this bathroom would actually also double as a hallway bathroom, although it is ensuite into the other room. So there you have it, guys. What did you think about this home? Did you love this home? Did you even know such beautiful homes are in South Carolina? If you did, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button so you become a part of my YouTube family and you don't miss out on any of the content I have to share. By also hitting that like button, it helps people find more information about this channel and more information about South Carolina and, you know, people trying to relocate to the area. So it would be awesome if you were to do that. Remember, you can always reach out to me. My social medias are available at Victoria BAO Realtor. You can visit my website at victoriaao.costello.com. As always, more information about this home, this builder, and myself can be found in the description bar below. See you guys in the next video.